Today we're getting rid of this stock grill and I'm replacing this grill with the Quattro RS5 grill, but I'm not going to be running the RS5 badges. As you see, the K&N cold air intake is still pushing, still chugging along. But let's just see how long this shit takes. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to take these things off right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these little star sockets, and I heard there's a 10mm bolt inside. So alright, we put up at my boy's shop. Come get the grill put on. He's always working on something. What up? I'm about to put the front grill on today. Get rid of this shit. Stock shit. And then I can show you guys what this shit look like. This shit's crazy. How often do you drive it? Huh? Yeah.
Not a lot.
Look at the wheels.
Yeah, I don't drive it a lot.
I would show love back to this joint, because I wish I had a fast car like this. Yeah, these all just flew off. I'll put these back on.
What do you mean flew off?
They were on when I closed the hood. They're gone now. So we got the bolts out up here, and the bolts are down here, but the shit's still not coming off. I'm thinking there's a bolt in here somewhere. Audis are weird, bro. All this to take the front bumper off. Got the front bumper off. It was way harder, bro. Like, the people who make these videos don't make it seem this hard, bro. It's really hard as fuck.
Put it back. Put it back.
The front grill is on. Alright, so I'm at the car wash. About to wash the car, bro. And we got the new grill on there. She's looking fresh, so clean. I was gonna get some carbon fiber and put some on the back up here, you know, just to clean it up a little bit. But this has to look, bro. I'm about to wash it. Looking so